Today we are going to understand a very important algebraic identities which says x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square, and x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y whole bracket x square plus xy plus x square. Now let's see how we can implement these two identities in the above equations. Let's look at the question first. Our first question says factorize 27x cube plus 125y cube. 27x cube plus 125y cube. Now if you look at this question carefully, we can break this 27 in power of 3 as because the identity says x cube plus y cube. So our first and foremost target will be to break this number, the entire number, in power of 3. So in case of 27, can we write 3x whole cube and 125 is 5y whole cube. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27 and 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So now we can say 3x to the power cube plus 5y to the power cube. Now this looks exactly the same like this identity. So what we are doing? We are using the formula, that is x cube plus y cube. Let us consider 3x as x and let us consider 5y as y. So we can put the formula. Our first part of the formula is x plus y, then that is x square minus xy plus y square. This was the formula of x cube plus y cube. Since this is plus sign, we are using the first identity. Now in place of x we are putting 3x plus, in place of y we are putting 5y, bracket close. Let's move on to the next part. X square, x value is 3x square minus xy, 3x into 5y plus y square, y value was 5y whole square. So this is what we got in the second part. Now let's just solve this. 3x plus 5y is equals to 3x whole square, that is 9x square, minus 3 into 5 is 15 and x into y is xy, plus 5y whole square, that is 5 5 is 25 and y square, and this will be our complete answer for question number 1, that is 3x plus 5y, 9x square minus 15xy plus 25y square. Now let us move to this question. Question number 2 says 8a cube minus 27b cube. We had learned this concept previously that your first target would be to convert this number in power of 3. So in case of 8a cube we can write 2a whole cube minus, in case of 27b cube we can write 3b whole cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. Now since this is minus sign, so we will be using this second identity. So in this case I am not writing the formula, I am just solving the equation straight away. Let's consider 2a as x and let's consider 3b as y, and we will be using the identity x cube minus y cube. So our first part is x minus y, so 2a minus 3b. Let's move on to the second part, that is x square, so 2a whole square plus xy, so 2a into 3b plus 3b whole square, that is y square, 3b whole square. Now we will just solve this and we will get our final answer. 2a minus 3b bracket 4a square plus 3 to just 6ab plus 9b whole square, and this is our final answer for question number 2. So whenever you see this kind of questions, our first target will be to convert the entire number in power of 3 and then use these two identities. If there is plus sign, we can use the first identity. If there is minus sign, we can use the second identity. Done.